Madame Medusa, HBIC Tremaine, Scar, Maleficent, Ursula, Cruella de Vil's in the fucking building, bitch! Rest in peace, Snow White. I can't say I'm gonna miss you like these perverts are, but I am happy we are bearing another form of white privilege. There's a lesson to be learned here, y'all. Dumb bitches end up in ditches. Let's bury this bitch! Ha ha ha! Have some respect for the dead, ho! Bitch, I thought you was gonna be in the casket. You hoes ain't gonna show no respect to the dead. I pay more respect to Cruella's dead pussy every time I see her. 5, 6, 7, 8. Your pussy has blisters, that's why you hate. Get to it, cut it, you dumb bitch. Yes, Cruella, yes! Fuck you, Cruella! No thanks, bitch. I don't want pimple puss on my vagina. Does Jesus just make up for her on my apple potato salad? Shut the fuck up! Tremaine! Bitch, don't play stupid act like you don't know how Snow ended up in that goddamn casket. I'm the first lady. Girl, bye. Girl, you look like a piece of shit! She looks like Cruella's dead twat. She looks like one of the blisters on your pussy. Cruella, I'm not tired of you fucking with me. What are you gonna do, herpy puss? Oh, I got your herpy puss. Oh, we're gonna start pulling out pieces now? 1 sec, let me go get my pistol out the car. Maleficent, please get your friends. I don't have time to be in a gunfight. Bitch, you honestly think I give a shit? Don't want Cruella! Listen, I'm sorry my friends ruined Snow White's funeral, but no one liked the bitch. Nobody. And y'all are perverts for taking a little wacko to live with ya. Kill yourselves. I'll kill him for ya! Now that y'all feel being Ratchet, let's bury this bitch. Cinderella! Get your ass out here! Cinderella! I'm not gonna say your name again! Where the fuck have you been at? Minding my damn business? Is that a problem? I don't have time to fuck your life up and read your ass for filth. Get your ass upstairs! Drizella! Go soak your pussy in some vinegar. Why? Because your hoish ass needs to be nice and tight for company. Anastasia! Tremaine, we turned the fuck up last night! You mean to tell me y'all just now getting in? We just got work girl wasted, damn! I don't have time for this bullshit. Wake your ass up and put some makeup on your goddamn face! Tremaine, bitch! Oh look, skeleton pot is under the building, everyone. Girl, bye, I know you want my rosebud, but please do not talk to me until you have washed your vagina. You smell like a bag of tilapia, bitch. Hey, aunties. Drizella, don't speak to those bitches. I told you to go wash your pussy in some vinegar. You know, plastic surgery may help your kids, bitch. Medusa, you know what Tremaine says about her kids. She says they look like Beyonce and Rihanna. More like Wendy Williams and Nene Leakes. Mama, what's going on? The prince is coming over. Get your ugly ass up now. The prince? Clean that shit up before I put my foot up your ass, bitch! Somebody find Cinderella's backbone! Please! Damn, you look better than both of those hoes! Fuck you! That bitch should look better than me. I just need my beauty rest. Haha! Just throw both ugly kids away, Tremaine. They don't have no hope. Fuck this shit. Do you two want to end up like those two petty, bitter old cunts? No, ma'am. Are you sure? Yes, Mama, we sure. Listen up. Cruella and Medusa are two miserable old hoes who will never do anything with their lives. Excuse you, bitch? You got something to say? Shut the fuck up! Both of you have prehistoric pussy that no man wants, but my girls have one last chance to pop that pussy severely because the prince will choose his bride tonight. His bride? His bride! Cinderella, go remember my bath. Cinderella, get my makeup out the closet. Make sure you put lots of vinegar in there because my pussy has to be nice and down for company. He ain't gonna want you, stupid ugly ass bitch. Why the fuck is you just standing there? Stop the fuck out of it. The prince is coming over. Oh, yes. I just remembered. You hoes are on my level. I'm gonna go ready for my man. Burn in hell, bitches. Mama, you just gonna let her talk to us like that? I wanna whoop her ass. Quiet. Bippity boppity boo, Cinderella found her backbone. Mama, they're here. How's that face look? Is that bad? I gotta go touch up. Oh yes. He ain't ready for this bubblegum. Anyone want that burnt Pop-Tart? Stop hitting on my hot pocket. Listen up, girls. It's time to bring your pussy A game. Nice to meet you, Your Grace. I don't shake hands, though. I'm looking for a pretty bitch who fit this glass slipper. Why, that's me. Oh, God, you need a filter on your face. Ain't no filter needed over here. I'm all natural. Bitch, you ugly as fuck. Bitch, get in my shoe. He don't want your burnt Pop-Tart. Keep it cute, girls. Yoo-hoo! Somebody call for a bad bitch? I'm here. These are rich people problems, you dumb hoe. Then why's your broke ass here? You still owe me money, bitch. I don't owe you shit! No more drama, please. Which of you ugly bitches wants to go first? Oh, yes. Anastasia. It should slide right in. Oh, it fits. I can't wait to see my man. I'm gonna give him this apple pie and let him eat the whole box. Oh, would you look at that? I probably because I didn't shave my bunions this morning. You have to push it in, and I have some lube, or we could just spit on it. Shh, Anastasia, be gentle. Just get it a little rough. Anastasia! Next ugly bitch, please. Shove it in there, I know it's tight. What the fuck are you good for? I'll shove it in my goddamn self. It fits. It fits? Well, you bitches are too young for the prince. He needs my full course pussy. Will you shut the fuck up, please? Are you trying to get the prince sick with your pimple pumpernickel pussy? You're the one who's expired to in a casserole. Madam, are there any other ugly hoes, girls? My apologies, Your Grace. Oh shit. This was a waste of my goddamn time. Wait! Reclaiming my time! Reclaiming my fucking time! It's me who you want! I'm the girl, it's me! Oh, Your Grace, forgive me. I forgot to take that trash out this morning. Do me a favor, throw yourself in the dumpster next time. Now, who is this? Snack! Yes! No! No, 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 no. This is awful. Awful. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? You're gonna be fierce and fabulous. Oh, this is worse than when Beyonce lost to Taylor Swift. Oh, no, 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 no. But you see, I have the other slipper. Can someone gather Tremaine's job off the ground? Tremaine, I'm gonna write you a check to find happiness. Now can you please exit Cinderella's anal cavity and get off her ass, bitch? God damn, jeez, bibbidi boppity boo! Find peace, bitch! Find peace! I'm serving fairy tale princess to the gods. Dreams do come true. Is that what you think, bitch? Not again. Did you really think you're gonna prance your little white privilege ass down the aisle and not invite me, bitch? Boo. Surprise! Might as well go so pussy and icing because the next time I see you, I'm gonna slit your throat. Now, let me show you what white mediocrity looks like. Anastasia! Mama, do I have to? Get your ass out here and make it look good. You're always on Cinderella's ass. Yes, white mediocrity is so easy to come by. Just look at Taylor Swift. Shocked? Well, this is what a basic bitch looks like. What the fuck is this? Why are you such a hater? Bitch, you're not special. Your existence is a joke, Cinderella. You can fix your face, bitch, but you'll always be an ugly hoe. Bitch, I'm just trying to get this money. Just step your pussy up. Shut the fuck up. I told you not to fuck with me. Burn in hell, bitch. Will you shut the fuck up, please? Are you trying to get the prince sick, bitch? With your pimple pumpernickel piss with Okay, this is going as a blooper. Just because you have to say that so fast. It's a tongue twister. Okay, I'm done.